Yo, 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 what's up, guys? This is your Crypto Connect checking in with day 4 of my Bitconnect experiment. And as you can see, I've got some money in my lending wallet, $12.03. And I'm going to hit this button right here, reinvesting $10 of that. And it's going to invest all of it, and then it's going to give me the leftover back into the lending wallet. Okay. So, we good, right? Yep. Okay, cool. Now let's just go down to my performance of this loan. Do $730. It should be $740. Let's see what happened. Is it gonna take a minute to load or something? There we go. $740 totally invested. I've earned $42.04 in 4 days. And I've reinvested $10 each day, which has been $40 altogether on top of the 700 initially. And let's see, in 3 days I should be able to put another $1,000 into it, and we'll go ahead and put $1,000 in and add it to this 2.246 in my Bitconnect wallet, and we'll lend that out. And we have to do some math and figure out when I need to start pulling out some profits out of this to pay back that loan. The monthly payment's going to be a little bit under $300 a month. I got to figure that out exactly. But yeah, guys, it's working out pretty well. Let's go to coinmarketcap.com and see what we've got today. I know I saw NEO dipping earlier. And yeah, so it's going down. It's doing a little bit of a correction. Is it gonna keep going down? Who knows? Is it gonna go back up? Maybe. I think it will. My honest opinion. I think it's gonna go back up at some point. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it'll dip down below $20 at all. But I don't know, guys. It might be time to sell it and maybe re-enter at a lower position. Yeah. Wishing that I would have sold it up here at like 40, 50. Even though, what the hell, man? This is not. Why am I looking at it on this website? We already figured that out yesterday. That CoinMarketCap is not accurate for NEO. World Coin Index is more accurate of a graph. So you can look here and it's going to be more accurate. But I'm still up, guys. I bought NEO initially at $6, and then I bought some more. I doubled down at $20. But let's see where it peaked. And yeah, so whenever a coin jumps up crazy like this, guys, I know it's like almost like if you're connected to a coin somewhat, like psychologically or whatever, you might want to hold. But sometimes it's good to take some profits, realize some profits, guys. Like, sell it at that high point, $50, $52 or whatever, and there it goes back down, and you can re-enter the position at, $40 or whatever, take some profits out of it, and then it goes back up. See, so you could have sold here, waited for it to go down to here, or even to here, and bought back in some, and then it came back up, and you could have realized more profits up here, and then bought back in here. See, so it's kind of like if you're doing the day trade thing, you got to ride the wave. You got to be able to you got to get some profits out of it, or else it's just gonna end up screwing you up. So I think I'm gonna sell some of my Neo, assuming that it's gonna go down a little bit more, and if I want to re-enter that position, I will. See, so look at that. If you look at the 1 month graph, I mean, here's where it did the giant jump, boom. So I bought in way back here. Who knows? I bought it way back for a month, $6, and then I doubled down right about here, like right in this little area, and it shot up and shot up again. But now it's going down, and you know, it's hard to tell with these coins exactly what they're gonna do. Do I think it's gonna go up in the long term? So if you hold it, and just wait 6 months or a year, I believe that it is going to go back up, probably even past $50. It's going to, in my opinion. That's just my opinion, but it might be a time to sell some of it. And I saw it this morning going down, and I contemplated selling it, and I decided, oh no, it might go back up, so let's wait. But now that I see it keeping on its way, you see, so let's see where we got some barriers or some support here at like 32.79, and there's another one at 31.03. So right now we're at 32.63. Now what I'm gonna do is, all right, 32. It already broke through that support line right there at 32.79. So I'm assuming it's going to keep going down to here, 31.03. Now, if it goes below 31.03, who knows how far it's going to go down. You might have to go back and look at where the last support was before that lower. So yeah, see, each one of these little changes in the graph is going to be a support line. And so it looks like we got one here at 21.85. Yeah, I don't want to wait for it to go down that low. So I'm going to sell some of my NEO once, I might as well just sell it right now, honestly. But part of me wants to wait to see if it dips below that 31.09 or 03. There's actually another one at 31.07, so right around 31. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It could bounce back. Sometimes when they get this low, a lot of people find an opportunity to buy back in. But so tonight, especially when the Asian markets wake up, they in China, it's like 12 hours ahead of us. So around like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, it's like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning in China, and that's when a lot of people are waking up. Right now, they're sleeping. So it might have a little pickup then. But even if it's gonna pick up again, you can still sell some. Yeah, I'm kind of on the fence about it, guys. Like I really like NEO as a long-term coin, but at the same time, I don't want to wait for it to get down to that second place I bought it at, $20, and it's coming down to 30, and it's making me think that I made a mistake like I did in the past when I was a noob here, and instead of realizing my profits, I thought that it would go back up, and it's happened to me in the past, and it never has. So I'm gonna sell some of my NEO, guys. That's my decision to do so. Um, and I probably will re-enter the position if I see that it's gotten to an ultimate low and it's starting to bounce back. So you see like how it's always going down, and then it shoots up. right? So it hits a line of resistance and then it goes up. And even if you trade on these, like you can make big profits. It takes a lot more patience and a lot more work and a lot more paying attention and setting stop loss limits. It's very important, guys. If you're day trading, you want to look up some videos or read about setting up stop losses and playing the resistance, basically riding the wave, as I like to call it. You're going to want to sell when it's up high at these peaks and then buy back in down at these lows. And timing it perfectly is impossible, or it's very hard, very difficult. So you might not be able to get it perfect, but if you try, you can do it. I usually don't take a lot of time doing that because it's just I'd rather buy a coin low and just stay high, so to speak. Like that's like the ideal coin situation that you want to buy it low when it's just coming out, and no matter what, it's going to be high, and you don't have to worry about selling it and buying back in, yada yada. But sometimes you got to do that if you're trading. So yeah, I'm gonna sell some of my Neo, guys. I don't know exactly how much, but I'm going to, and we'll see what happens. If I made a mistake, then I made a mistake, but at least I made a little profit on it. Um, let's just see what else we got. I want to check out Bitconnect coin because I actually bought some Bitconnect coin 4 days ago when I started the Bitconnect experiment. I invested $700 out of about roughly 950, and the 250 roughly that I had left over, I bought Bitconnect coin with because I thought that that would accumulate more profits, and it did definitely. So where is this at? Okay, let's go to CoinMarketCap because I don't know about this website. But I think Bitconnect coin is like right around $120 right now. It should be $117. So it actually dropped a bit. Looks like some coins are pulling back today. It's not a abnormal thing to happen. As you know, in any market, there's going to be dips and rises. So, if you have some Neo and you really believe in it and you don't want to sell it, I mean, it's a fine, you probably are going to be fine in the long run. It's probably going to bounce back, but if you look at this graph, I mean, just that rough picture of it too, and it's just like it's going down pretty badly right now. So Bitcoin Cash is actually going up. Wow. It was going up yesterday and it's gone up again. Bitcoin Cash, it seems to be one that it's kind of like an opposite of some of these others, or at least in the last couple of days this week, it's been doing that. But yeah, let's see what else. When we say go, I want to re-enter this. I want to get some more of this coin at some point. Let's see if it's a good time. Okay, so yesterday when I looked at it, yeah, it was like, like right here, and it dipped, and I thought it might bounce back, but it looks like it's still going down. I wouldn't buy it right now, guys. It looks like it's going down. I'd wait for it to kind of pop back up. So when it shows some signs of going back up, maybe re-enter. But yeah, if you have some, maybe even sell it. Take your profits and re-enter at a lower position because it looks like it's going down a bit anyways. But again, just a disclaimer, like nobody really knows what these coins are gonna do. Like um, the cryptocurrency markets are so young that it's really hard to tell exactly what they're gonna do based on historical data based on technical analysis. It's actually impossible. There's not enough information yet to really know how the